Hey y'all, welcome to the SipBiteGo channel, and today we are making creamy, dreamy treat that's sure to become a favorite. This is peanut butter cup ice cream made with Reese's candies. I do feel like homemade is always better, and ice cream is pretty much no exception because it's so freaking good. This ice cream is ready in just 30 minutes, so stick around to the end to see how easy it is to make with your KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker attachment. We're starting with a handful of ingredients that make the base. I'm going to have you add some peanut butter as well. That's going to flavor, and those Reese's peanut butter cups. Grab a whisk and mix together 1 cup of very cold milk and 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Keep whisking it until the sugar is completely dissolved, and trust me, this step is crucial for a smooth ice cream base. For this recipe, I'm having you use 7 Reese's peanut butter cups. You could use as many as you'd like, but I thought this was a really nice ratio of homemade ice cream base to the peanut butter cups. I chopped them all up, and actually I'm gonna leave in, just because it's super cute for like my own memories, my little knife lesson with my 5-year-old son here. Had the best job. Let me show you. How we go. Chop, chop, chop. Gio, this is going to be a very sharp knife.
Can I just do like...
Do you put your fingers here?
No.
You hold it here. No, your main finger goes here. Under here.
Okay. This is here. Okay, but there's 1 piece, 2 pieces, huge.
Okay, you think you can get it?
Yes.
He's more into like ninja and rock climbing than he is cooking right now, which is completely fine. But sometimes he does help us like season meats, or he's really always a good volunteer when it comes to making ice cream or one of my little loaf cakes. So now it's time to get your KitchenAid stand mixer ready. Take out your KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker attachment. Hopefully it's been in the freezer. You do have to freeze it so the liquid inside is nice and cold, which helps make the ice cream. It really makes making homemade ice cream a breeze. So pour the milk and the sugar into the frozen ice cream bowl. Add 1 cup of cold heavy cream, 1 cup of cold half and half, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Start churning the mixture on low for about 10 minutes. Don't forget, I have a ton of other sides and main dishes to serve with this, along with other ice cream recipes for your KitchenAid stand mixer. Don't forget to subscribe. After 10 minutes of churning the base ice cream batter, it's time to add in the fun stuff. Smash up those 7 Reese's peanut butter cups, but save 1 for the topping presentation. Add the smashed Reese's and 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter to the ice cream mixture. Now, if you're using a different machine, it might have specific add-in instructions, but this is what I do in my KitchenAid. So at this point, you just let that all churn for about 10 more minutes until everything is well combined. Make sure to check out the description of this video to print out these recipe steps. So the next thing you do is freeze and serve it, but actually your ice cream should be ready to enjoy right away. It'll just be more of a soft serve style. If you prefer a firmer texture, transfer it to an airtight, freezer-safe container. Let it harden or freeze for a few hours, and don't forget to top it off before you pop it in the freezer with some of that extra Reese's peanut butter cup for an extra treat. I think it makes it look awesome. So check out all my things in the Amazon store. I'll leave descriptions for that below. I have my favorite home cooking accessories and things that don't come standard with the KitchenAid machine, like that glass bowl and the ice cream maker. So thanks for watching, y'all. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy home cooking and barbecue ideas that will make you the hero of your kitchen. Till next time, happy cooking.